project is looking at dismantling a nuclear reactor using robotics.
The technologies that we've bought, the Spot robot and the BLK ARC system from Leica, can be used to solve some of the everyday challenges in a decommissioning project.
The BLK ARC that's been fitted onto Spot Dog is the robotics module that we've brought out in our autonomy range. It's made to be integrated in any type of robotic platform, and that'll give the users the ability to autonomously steer that robot through an environment and then create a 3D model, not just through the means of LiDAR but also through photos. That is all driven through a technology called Grand Slam. So it actually maps the environment and actually orientates itself within that environment at the same time.
You can create an accurate three-dimensional model which you can use for things like making plans, taking measurements, testing how you get equipment in and out, can you remove things.
The LiDAR makes the model geometrically accurate, and the photos that will be taken with that at the same time would give some additional context. So you've got the best of both worlds. It's not just a camera system, but it also has the accuracy, and then overlaying additional data into that model, and that would bring in radiation readings. So you can now have a fourth dimension where you have the amount of radiation that is relevant in that area, and that can be overlaid in a 3D model.
And that enables us to do a lot of the plans that we would have to do by in-person visits remotely.
We're very proud to be partnered with Proekty because that is really something that is new and innovative in the nuclear space.
The great benefit of the Spot technology is it gives you a very general way to gain access to the site, and access is one of the things that really makes nuclear decommissioning complex.
The access is remarkable really, and also the versatility it's got.
Now when you're doing that with people, you've got a lot of problems to overcome looking after the safety of those people when entering a potentially hazardous environment.
When we actually start the activities, the dose levels are going to fluctuate, so therefore if we reduce the amount of man entry, big opportunity on the health and safety front.
It gives you an ability to gain the benefits of going there in person without actually having to put anyone at risk. It both immediately gives you safety benefits, but it also gives you important speed and cost benefits. We're also helping nuclear technology in general to advance and to generate learning and skills that can go beyond this site and help the wider UK NDA estate.
The proof's in the pudding. You see something demonstrated in the facility as we've just seen. I think it's got a massive amount of potential.
This technology is ready to use for some applications in some forms immediately at any nuclear site elsewhere in the world. And the most important thing to do next is actually to get it into use, to get the benefits and to learn how to optimize it.
Without a doubt, a lot of facilities will benefit from utilising this type of equipment to reduce the amount of man access and time. Big opportunity to utilise and share the learning from this project.